Some people make thousands selling trending designs, while others swear by evergreen niches. But which one actually works? Stick around because I'm breaking down the pros and cons of both, and at the end I share exactly what I do and why it works best for me. Okay, so first of all, what are trends? Trends are topics that are in a high demand right now, and right now could mean a few days or weeks. So after this time period, most people don't care about this particular trend anymore. A trend could be viral memes, trending phrases from TikTok, Instagram or X. It also could be a phrase that a famous or political person said. So here's a website where you can check out trending memes. It's called knowyourmeme.com. So you can see the trending memes right here on the top of this page. You got some pictures right here, and then you got some more headlines right here. You can also find some more trending memes in this tab at the top of the page, but you can also enter some politicians, for example. Let's just enter Trump, then you press enter. Now you can sort your search results by newest, and there you go. You got your newest memes from Donald Trump. So for example, this meme is about him buying the Gaza Strip. So just click it and you can read some text about it. So let's check this trend on Amazon. Let's just type in Gaza Strip shirt. Yeah, and here we go. We got 564 t-shirts for this niche, and they already have a BSR. So they are already selling. Right here you can sort them by edit. Just click newest arrivals, and here we go. So let's check Know Your Meme again. There should be something about Gulf of America. Yeah, there we go. You can also just enter it. So here's the article about their topic, and let's check the dates. Okay, he already announced it at the beginning of January, but here you can see that Google Maps got a Gulf of America update just 2 days ago as I'm filming this video, so that could mean that this trend is still relevant. So let's check Amazon. So let's just type in Gulf of America shirt, and that's already a good sign that we get suggested keywords, and that just means that there's a high demand for these t-shirts. So let's click this, and here we go, we got over 10,000 products. So that's already a lot, but as we already saw, the trend started over a month ago. So let's see the BSRs. Okay, these BSRs are really impressive. We got 80k, 250k, 23k. That's amazing. Yeah, but the shirt looks quite nice. And you could easily generate this graphic with AI. So let's see. Yeah, these shirts got amazing BSRs. Just look at it. About 30k, 40k. That's amazing. So to see trends that are a bit more long term, you can also use this website that's called explodingtopics.com. So as you scroll through this page, you can see all the different kinds of topics that are trending within a specific time frame, and this could be just anything. So on top of this page, you can click on the filter right here. In the free version, you can also set it on 2 years. And you can also set a category right here. So this website could also be helpful if you're still looking for some niches. So if you want some more ideas for trending topics, you can just follow famous people or politicians on social media and just be aware of what they post. You can take some ideas, what they say or what they post, and transform these things into t-shirt ideas. Now, what are evergreens? Evergreens are topics and niches that people care about all year after year. These could be hobbies, types of jobs, types of food, and so on and so on. And these could also include events like Thanksgiving or Christmas that are also relevant for a specific time frame of the year. So to show you some examples for evergreens, I went to bubblespider.com, and the website looks like this, and you don't even have to create an account for it. Here we have the top 2000 bestsellers on Amazon right now. So these ones are Valentine's Day related. And that's just because tomorrow is Valentine's Day as I'm filming this video. So that means a lot of people were buying these shirts for Valentine's Day. But you can sell these Valentine's Day shirts every year for Valentine's Day. Well, they basically will not be outdated. Maybe for this PlayStation controller right here, but I think it doesn't even matter. So this one right here is an all-time bestseller on Amazon. It says I'm not old, I'm classic. And you can see this vintage car right here. So this is a typical non-seasonal evergreen. That means you can sell it every day of the year after year. This one is also Valentine's Day related. These two are in the niche 100 days of school, or of kindergarten in this case, but you can sell them every year at this time. So this Bigfoot design is also a typical evergreen design, and you can see it's already online since 2018. And that's quite the magic of evergreen designs. So we got a lot of Valentine's Day designs. So this fishing design is basically a great evergreen design, or this Pluto design right here. So here are the pros and cons of trends. The pros are, well, you could make a lot of sales in a short period of time. So this is ideal for low tier sellers to quickly get out of the lower tiers. Of course, when Amazon gives tier ups again. So here are the cons of trending designs. Trends can be quickly outdated, and that means you are not going to sell your designs anymore. You also have to be very careful about trademarks and copyrights. And you also have to be very fast to find these trends and create designs for them. These trends may also require a high amount of ad cost. So here are the pros and cons of evergreens. The pros of evergreen designs are, well, they could sell all year round, even after years. And you build a solid, sustainable portfolio of evergreen designs that sell all year, giving you a constant income. And it's only possible with evergreen designs to establish long-term sellers. There are still some evergreen designs on Amazon Merch that have started selling many years ago. Another pro would be that you would just require a normal amount of ad cost. So here are the cons of evergreen designs. The sales could be lower when you're comparing them to trends, and you can't expect high spikes in sales. So if you want to have a constant high income, you need a lot more designs for evergreens compared to trending designs. Another con is that it may take some time to rank these designs. Okay, so here's my approach. I don't design for trends at all. I want to create a long-term portfolio of designs that sell all year round. And I think it's too stressful to chase trend after trend. And you could also get quickly into trademark and copyright problems. So that's why I just go for evergreen designs. I don't even create designs for seasonal niches and events, like Thanksgiving or Christmas. In my experience, it's just too hard to compete in those niches. I just go for evergreen designs in small to medium-sized niches. Now, if you want to see my whole research process on how I find profitable niches and create designs for them, then check out this playlist right here.